Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare beans stew for rice. First, carefully sort 1 pound of dry beans, discarding any small stones or imperfect pieces. Next, rinse the beans well under cool water to remove any surface dirt. For optimal texture and reduced cooking time, soak your beans overnight in about 3 cups of water. This crucial step helps them cook evenly and become wonderfully tender. After soaking, drain the beans and transfer them to a large pot. Cover them with fresh water, ensuring there's at least 2 inches of water above the beans. Bring this to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 60 to 90 minutes, or until they are tender. Remember to add 1 teaspoon of salt during the final 15 minutes of cooking. Now, let's build the flavorful stew base. In a separate pot, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant and softened. Then, add 1 diced bell pepper and 1 can of diced tomatoes, cooking for about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika for depth. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your tender, cooked beans to the pot with the aromatic stew base. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Let the stew simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. This creates a rich, satisfying dish perfect for serving over fluffy white rice. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.